When it comes to creating a more enjoyable and energy-efficient home, many homeowners overlook one of the most impactful upgrades: new window installation. Beyond boosting your curb appeal, properly installed, energy-efficient windows can dramatically improve natural lighting and indoor comfort. Whether you're remodeling a room or building a new home, investing in modern windows can transform your living experience in ways you may not expect. Let's explore how professional window installation can enhance both the brightness and comfort of your living spaces. More natural light, less artificial lighting. Natural light does more than just brighten a room. It creates a sense of openness and warmth that no artificial lighting can replicate. When you install modern windows with larger panes or better placement, you allow sunlight to flood your home more effectively. Whether you choose picture windows, bay windows, or strategically placed casement windows, the result is a brighter, more inviting atmosphere. Increased sunlight can make small rooms feel more spacious, highlight interior decor and natural textures, reduce your need for daytime artificial lighting, saving on electricity. Well-lit rooms are also associated with higher mood levels, productivity, and even improved sleep when used in alignment with your circadian rhythm. Better temperature control with energy-efficient glass. A key benefit of modern window installation is improved energy efficiency, which directly impacts indoor comfort. Older windows often allow drafts or unwanted heat transfer, leading to rooms that are too hot in the summer and too cold in the winter. New window technology includes low emissivity coatings that reflect heat without blocking light, double or triple pane glass filled with insulating gas like argon, tight weather stripping and sealed frames to eliminate drafts. With these features, you'll enjoy more stable indoor temperatures year-round. In summer, sunlight can enter your home without bringing in the heat. In winter, warm air stays in, and cold air stays out. Reduce glare without losing views. One common complaint with older windows is the glare caused by direct sunlight. Glare can make watching TV or working on a computer difficult and can cause your eyes to strain. Fortunately, modern windows are designed to maximize light while reducing glare. Thanks to advanced coatings and window tints, you can let in the sun without having to squint or close the blinds. This balance means you can enjoy wide-open views and light-filled rooms, all while maintaining indoor comfort. Eliminate cold spots and drafty corners. Have you ever avoided sitting near a particular window during the winter because it was too cold? That's a common problem with poorly sealed or aging windows. Cold drafts and uneven heating can make parts of your home feel uncomfortable. Professional window installation ensures that all gaps and weak points are sealed. Insulated frames are properly fitted. Moisture buildup or air leaks are eliminated. The result: every corner of your home maintains a consistent, comfortable temperature, no more chilly spots or overheated areas. 5. Increased airflow for healthier living. New window installations also allow for better airflow and ventilation, especially if you choose operable styles like double hung or awning windows. Improved circulation helps. Remove indoor pollutants and odors. Regulate indoor humidity levels. Reduce the risk of mold growth. Fresh air not only improves your comfort, it also contributes to better respiratory health and overall well-being. Final thoughts. A brighter, more comfortable home starts with new windows. From improving how your home looks and feels to enhancing energy performance, window installation is a smart, customer-focused investment. You'll enjoy more natural light, better temperature control, reduced glare, and healthier air, all of which contribute to a higher quality of life. If you're ready to brighten up your home and make each room more livable, consider speaking with a trusted window installation professional in your area. The right windows can truly transform your comfort and your lifestyle, one room at a time.